there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a box opening. I bought this package from Sew Be It Quilts quite some time ago and it kind of got lost in my shuffle. I was in the process of getting a new sewing room and this nice little box got tucked away. Well, I just came across it again and I can't wait to open it because I have a bunch of projects I can't wait to start working with using this product. Okay, let's open this up. I just want it for fun. I don't see a date on this, but there may be an invoice or something on the inside. But I do know what's in it. This couldn't have come at a better time, I can tell you that. August 10th, 2024. The other day I was sitting thinking, I sure wish I had rulers that I could trim blocks and not have to keep picking up the ruler. And then I remembered, wait a minute. Oh my goodness, I bought all kinds of rulers. So let's see what's in this goodie box. I've got rulers, and more rulers. So I bought these off Sew Be It Quilts with Fallon. Her husband, Matt, makes all kinds of sewing notions. So you're definitely going to want to check out their site, Sew Be It Quilts. They also sell a slide lock ruler. It's a nice big, this is a 24-inch, and you can check that out on their site. Let's see what we've got here. They come in so many sizes. The numbers are etched right into the ruler themselves, and this is the 6-inch. And when I saw that they were selling these, I knew I had to have them. So this would be, let's say this is a 6-inch ruler. This has little grippies on the bottom. They call them little bumpers. So when you're ready to trim, you hold this down and all you're going to do, you put a little pressure and this is just going to spin right around for you. So you'll be able to trim on all sides. Your hand won't be close to the blade. It is just going to make everything so easy. I'm going to need a nice basket for these rulers. I'll just lay these out and see what sizes I did get. So excited for this. So I do know that they sell these in rectangles and in squares. It looks like I got all of the squares. Sell them in half sizes, whole sizes. They sell them in bundles and they sell them individual. I believe I bought a bundle of half sizes and a bundle of whole sizes. I know with the squares you'll be able to do half square triangles and you'll be able to do hourglass blocks very easily. They have the bumpers on the bottom so they will push down onto the fabric and it will grip right to it. So there won't be any sliding. Just using a regular ruler is quite slippery and you've got to just keep turning and turning. So I'm super excited for this. I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of blocks here and I can't even wait to try this. If you can see here that there's a mark on here that says 2.5 inches, it's all etched in. I'm going to square these little half square triangles up at 2.5 inches. You can see the 1/4 inch line here on the sides. I am going to just follow the diagonal lines here and I'm going to line that right up with my half square triangle right on the seam. All right, I can see that I have fabric on all 4 sides and I can see that my line here is all centered right on top of the seam. I'm just going to hold right down here on top of this handle and give this a trim. Spin it, push down. I mean, it's not going anywhere. And I'm going to do that to all 4 sides. Just like that, I have a beautiful 2.5 inch half square triangle. See how fast I can do these. How easy is that? Just lining that line up on the seam. And just like that, there's 4 half square triangles. So nice to have a ruler the same exact size that you need. Demonstrate with a bigger block. And all I'm going to do is put this little handle right on top of my center spot there and trim all the way around. It's just a little 4 patch. And just like that, that's squared up. Okay, we'll do a bigger half square triangle, and you can see the center line. Just lay that center line here right on top of your center of your fabric and trim it off. Push down. You don't even really have to push too hard. I love these. One more half square triangle. Again, lay your center right over your seam and trim around all 4 sides. Ta-da! These are such a great product. I'm so happy I found them. This was very quick, easy, and this is going to be a game changer. I'm not sponsored for this product, but if you are interested in this product, go check out Sew Be It Quilts and tell them that April sent you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all of their notions. Say bye, little Miss Ready Thready.